Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, do well by clicking on the subscribe button. Like, share, make your comments. We'd love to watch out for it. And also, guys, if you are yet to follow us on Telegram, you'll find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for the next day on GBP USD. So let's start with this movement from here. This is an higher highs, and here is the higher lows. This here is the higher highs, and here is the higher lows. You can see this again. We add a new higher highs, and here comes the higher lows. If you take a look at this here is the new higher highs, and here is the higher lows. So after these higher lows, we will be expecting a new higher high. So basically our forecast is that GBP will actually push up to give us a new higher highs. Thereby we need to break around a level, we need to break above a level of 1.27. So from this movement to a break around level of 1.7, that is, you are very much likely to grab about 120 pips. If you go long on GBPUSD, you are likely to grab 120 pips. So if you can look for a good entry whereby you can have about 20 pips stop loss, or probably maybe 20 pips stop loss, then you target about 120 pips for profit target. That would be giving about 1 to 6 risk to reward ratio, which is absolutely fine. By the way, GBPUSD will continue the movement to the upside because, as you can see, all this level here, which I see as liquidity, has been cleared. So what GBPUSD will do now is that when we go to the 1 hour time frame, GBPUSD will come give us a pullback to test this resistance level. I mean, when you take a look at something like this, you see that this was once the resistance level, right? This was once the support level. GBPUSD literally range within this level. Now that market has broken above it, expect GBPUSD to give you a pullback to test it. Then we can now continue the movement to the upside. Above all, GBPUSD is still, we are biased to the upside. It must definitely take out this ice, as you can see. GBPUSD will definitely take it out, giving us a new higher ice. So if you need more updates, you will need to follow us on Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So go to the comment section and follow us, and you will get an update from us there